What's the best goal you've ever scored? And this is also one for you as well, Giggsy. You can have a think about that one. What's the best goal you've ever scored?
All my goals have the same meaning for me, the same importance, but one goal that I can remember right now and has a lot of meaning of my family and my country was the goal I scored in the World Cup against France. Sorry, but...
Was Pat playing?
Yes, I think so. To be honest, it was a very important goal for me. My grandfather also played a World Cup and he scored goals against France also.
Your family likes scoring against France?
I think so, yeah. It's a tradition.
Thanks, Chicha, for killing me.
That goal, and also one goal that I enjoy a lot because that helped also to the team to win one very important game in Old Trafford was the goal I scored in the 36 seconds against Chelsea. Because it was a brilliant goal for me. I started that game and in 1 minute we were winning 1-0 and that was very important for us.
That was a brilliant goal and I think everyone thoroughly enjoyed that on the occasion. Thank you, Chicharito.